Hey there! So today I wanted to share some simple and easy cute ideas you could make for gifts, and I especially wanted to share this one because it went viral on my TikTok and I thought maybe you like it too, and it's really simple and it's really beautiful. So all you need is a graph piece of paper and you're gonna go ahead and paint them like you would do pieces of the Tetris game, which as you see I just made up. The only important thing is that you create one less piece and make a perfect little spot for it to land on. That's the magic for this gift. Once you have your little Tetris drawn up, you're gonna carefully cut it as a whole and then cut the small piece separately. With that ready, you only need a rectangle piece of cardboard and we are gonna stick our little game on it. And using the game and the piece as a reference, you're gonna mark where the piece would fit with a pencil and create a long rectangle. Then you just cut that out and get another square piece of cardboard, different color, and then you just cut a T in the same color of the base that you use. You're gonna place that T in the middle, just cover that little slot that you made, and then just glue that other rectangle on top of it. With all of your pieces glued, what you're going to do is going to pull that T or slider down to reveal the other color and pull it all the way down so that you can glue your missing piece to it, and once you slide it, it will fit with the whole game. Finally, just add the message that you like on your card and you're done. An extra cute little gift that takes literally minutes to make. Let's go on to idea number 2. For this one, I just use a little box of matches that I had lying around in my house. First, take your box and paint it a solid color, and while that dries, you're gonna take a bunch of toothpicks and paint them all as if they were little pencils. It's really easy. I'm using Poscas, but actually any marker will work. Just go ahead and paint them in all of the colors you want. Paint them first a little longer than you want them to be, and then with a pair of scissors you can cut them to size. Once you have a bunch of color pencils, put them in your box, close it, and write a little cute message on top. And once again, that's it, a cute little card that you can make in minutes at home. On to idea number 3, and for this one we're using a toilet paper roll. Actually, we're using 2 or 3 toilet paper rolls. What you're gonna do is cut these paper rolls in like slices. I tried to do it with a cutting knife first, but turns out it's just much easier to do it with a pair of scissors, so just go ahead and cut them with scissors and make 6 pieces that are the same size. You're gonna take 3 of those pieces, the 3 larger ones, and you're gonna make a slit on them so that you glue it back together and you make it smaller. Basically, we're making boxes, so 3 of the circles are gonna fit in the other 3. You're gonna take the other 3 remaining cylinders and glue them on top of a piece of cardboard. This is so they become the top of the boxes. Once you have them glued, you can cut them around and they will now have a lid. Next, you're gonna take a thick piece of cardboard and you can just rip this off from any box that you just got shipped or delivered. Place your 3 little toilet paper box on top so you can get an idea of the space you need. Mark it and cut it with an X-Acto knife. Also cut 2 long thin pieces that are the same width and glue those to the back. We're creating a little table of sorts. Turn it around and then glue each individual box to the cardboard and put the little lids on. Now to the fun part. We're gonna decorate these as if they were little pieces of sushi rolls. Paint the whole board with brown so it looks more like wood, and then each little piece with white and black, and then using colors for the insides. Finishing up with Poscas and it's done. I also decide to add cute little faces to all of my 3 pieces of sushi, and after those are all done, I go ahead and add little trinkets or gifts inside the boxes and a cute message for the gift receiver. And that's it. Another super simple and adorable gift that you can make at home with things you surely have at hand already. Now for the 4th and final project. This one is going to be a little bit different because this one is the only one you need to go get something. But the something is just a terracotta saucer, the type they put underneath little planting pots. And it's a really simple idea. You just painted a color solid, add a cute little message. I'm using a Molotov marker here. It's a paint marker just like Posca's. And I decided to take it the extra mile by adding a little star made out of clay. This is foam clay. I just make my little star, let it aside to dry, decorate the rest of the dish by adding, little figures, painting the rim white, and then I just glued my star on, and that is it. I think you can make dozens of this for gifts or favors. It's a super simple idea. Just don't forget to varnish this because they're gonna have rings and stuff on them, so you want to protect your paint. And that is it for today. I hope you like this compilation of ideas. If you do, please like the video and let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye!